Hoi An. The final stop on this epic trip of northern and central Vietnam was Hoi An, perhaps the most beautiful town in Vietnam. We spent 5 days here visiting archaeological sites, learning Vietnamese cooking and just chilling at the beach.
I've been looking at you underneath this sky. I've never been this high.
Hoi An is also a very special place for us for a very good reason. But more on that in the next video. For now, let's roll that intro.
I just wanna dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
1, 2, 3. When we were young, we burned like summer suns. Our fears at bay, we made our own way, no stopping us. We never knew the sky beyond the blue. We turned the page, our story became a world brand new. You and I, we have found what we've been missing. You and I, it feels like we're finally living. We are wide awake, it's all so clear. The dreams we held are standing here. You and I, we have found what we've been missing. Open wide, the future's on our side. We'll touch the stars, we'll follow our hearts into the light. Walk with me, and we'll be all we need. Your hand in mine, our song undefined, our world alive. You and I, we found what we've been missing. You and I, it feels like we're finally living. We are wide awake, it's all so clear. The dreams we held are standing here. You and I, we found what we've been missing.
You from
India.
India?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful, very tall man. You're so tall.
We found what we've been missing. You and I.